Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can log out of your YouTube account from all your devices. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video and write your comments. And friends, I will show you in order how you can do it. Let's get started. And before we begin, friends, please open the YouTube app on your device. Then at the bottom, click on your page, and when you get to it, then at the top, click on Google account. Next, friends, you will need to scroll down this menu right here and select Security here. Then, in Security, scroll down a little bit further. And here you'll find a subsection called Your Devices. And here you can see absolutely all the devices that are connected to this YouTube account. And in order to see them all, you can click on Manage All Devices. And you can see them all here. I have this, as you can see, a MacBook, an iPhone, and my Android phone. And let's say that in order to log out of any of the devices, you'd have to click on the device itself, on its name. And now, at the top, you'll need to click on Logout. You'll get a little window like this, where you'll need to choose to log out again. Once you've done that, the device will no longer have access to your YouTube account. Unfortunately, there's no feature that allows you to do this to all of your devices at once. Therefore, you will need to log out of all your devices one by one if you need to. That is, go to each of your devices, then click Exit. And then go back and do the same with the next device. This is the method you can delete or log out of your YouTube account from all of your devices. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to write your comments. Also put your likes and subscribe to this channel. Bye everyone.